4 years old. I'm 6'1" when I'm fully assembled and weigh about 235 pounds. What I'm going to show this time around is a simple obstacle outside. Now, one of the things that happens a lot of times, people want to help push, or people need to push you for whatever reason, or push me. So this is a little bit different than the other videos I've done about getting over small obstacles. And I'm going to show you now, if you can go ahead and show the little obstacle. This is just a tiny thing. It's probably 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch bump going from my driveway up into the garage. I'm going to have my brother here is going to push me, and I'm going to just let him do it, and we'll just see what happens. We're not going to go fast. He's not doing anything for dramatization, but that's what happens. Okay, let me stop right here. Okay, now the reason this happens like this is because of mechanics, and he is pushing the top of my wheelchair, causing the front wheels to have more weight on it. So they should easily roll over that bump, but it just won't, just because of mechanics and the way the wheelchairs are put together. Okay, so what I'm going to do this time is we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to grab a hold of my wheels, the rim, push rims, and I'm going to push the wheel rims. And you'll be able to see that just here in just a second, but I'm going to push the wheel rims, and what that's going to do is it's going to change the whole fulcrum. It's going to change the mechanics of the way the wheelchair moves forward. It's going to take less weight off the front wheels, and it'll make it a lot easier to go over this little bump. Now, in addition to that, I can use my prosthetic leg here to put a little push down and help bring the front wheels up, but I'm not going to do that this time. I'm just going to do with the push rims and show how we get over that without hitting this thing and getting dumped out of the wheelchair out front. Okie dokie. Let's go, brother. Whoop, let me take the brake off here. All right. Okay, we're coming up, and just a little push changes the entire mechanics of the way the wheelchair operates. So hopefully that was helpful. That's good.